it is Sunday morning. I am going to the food store quick to get some things for my meal prep. Today is a chill day. I did some laundry yesterday. I'm gonna do some meal prep today, finish the laundry, and hang out with the fam. So I'm excited. I'm gonna run to the food store just for a few little things that I need. Started my meal prep last night, and I started cutting up like a few things. So let's go. Hey guys, so first thing I do is I empty out or clean out the fridge when I come from the food store. Then I wanted to empty the dishwasher so I could refill it, and the girls helped me with that.
Hi, my name is Mila. Bye.
Anotha, down.
Say hello. Okay, these rooms go here. Hello, next day we on
I washed and put away all my fruits. I like to do this so that the girls can just grab them if they want to, and it will be ready to eat. Now onto my meal prep. I will put the recipe down below. I set the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hello.
Bianca, no. No. I'm filming. Cucumber, onion, and tomato cut up the day before, so I just wanted to cut up a little more for volume.
I love my mom. Bye.
I got my baking sheet ready to lay the chicken out that I had marinating overnight. Then I stuck them in the oven. Then I season the veggies. Mommy.
After that, I moved on to the tzatziki sauce. I grated a cucumber the night before, so I put it on a paper towel to squeeze out the juices. Then I added in all of the seasonings and mixed it up. Once the chicken was done, I cut it up into small bite-sized pizzas. Now to put it all together and do a taste test with my girlies.
Hi! Going to the movies. Yeah, we are going to go to the movie and buy one toy, and then we are going to go to the play area and then take our we are going to take our shoes off first and then go in the play area. Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. But we're not gonna watch a movie. Right, Mila? Yeah, we're not. Anyways, you guys, so we're gonna have lots of fun. And it's the weekend, so my daddy let us do that, and mommy.
Okay.
And daddy
Hold
let
on,
us do
let me
that,
finish
and
this.
mommy.
So I heated up one of these corn tortillas. Pita bread might be better with this. All right, so I got my chicken here. The chicken tastes really good.
Yes.
By itself.
Yes.
The bottom.
Why would you have this pizza? Mommy,
Just gonna put a little bit so the girls.
I want some more. Sorry guys, my mommy is crazy.
And then I'm gonna put the cucumber salad on top. And then I'm gonna put the Greek sauce, the tzatziki sauce. Yes, we have to see how it
Guys! Final touch, guys! Let's see if it tastes good or bad. Yeah!
Taste first. Big bite.
I don't want to taste it.
You don't want to? Okay, mommy, I'll taste it. That's you sure? It's pretty yummy. Just a small bite?
I want some water, please.
You sure?
Yeah.
Last chance. Because I'm going to eat it. You want it? It's delicious! You've got to try it. And healthy. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye! See you in the next video. Let's see what I'll whip up in the next video.
And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yes, don't forget.
Don't forget to subscribe. And 1, 2, 3, grind.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye. This is final round. My dad is gonna taste it. Yeah, and final round. And mommy don't take that week too. And crown.
Look where I go. Look where I go.
Okay. I finished cleaning the kitchen. Now we are going to the movie theater. Not to watch a movie, but for the girls to play. There's a little play area, and I usually like to take them on either my days off or their days off of school when I don't have work. And take them there. They burn some energy. So it's only 3. So we're gonna do that, maybe drive around a little bit, and then call it a day. I finished packing their lunches, finished doing my meal prep. Oh, I have 1 load of laundry left to fold. I just gotta put out their school clothes, and we're good to go. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.